Hi everyone, in this episode we wrap up our trip across the Gulf of Carpentaria. Leaving King Ash Bay, we start making our way to Darwin, where we are going to hang out for the wet season. We stop off at Heartbreak Hotel for a very entertaining night, hanging out with the cows and pigs and a whole lot of poop. After settling in at Lee Point, we get the tinny back in and have some great fun fishing the local creeks, only 17 kilometres out of the city. We hope you are enjoying our story so far, and we look forward to showing you around the NT. Hey guys, and welcome back to Living on a Trip. We're in Darwin now, so we've just had a few weeks out of the water after our big trip across the bottom of the Gulf, and this is our first day fishing here in Darwin. We're at Lee Point at the moment, so we've come out. These tides, God, they're crazy here. So we've just come up this creek, and I reckon it's about 3 hours to low tide, and I reckon we're definitely stuck in here now. And yeah, bloody just trying to find our feet. It's always hard when you come to a new spot. And yeah, I'm trying to catch this $1 million fish. This is what we're trying to do. Yeah, we'll let you know how we go. What do you reckon, honey?
I reckon we'll get $1 million. We're gonna get stuck up here.
Well, we spotted some liveys. Nice pop-eyed mullet. Brendan, you'd be frothing. Let's see if Shaun and I can catch him.
A few weeks to throw a cast net.
Oh, yeah. Bit of action around here anyway. I definitely think we feel like we're going to get stuck. So they have 7 metre tides here. And it's only a little one today. But yeah. Hey, so we're still in the creek. I don't know what it's called, but haven't got any barra, but we've got a few little ones. Shaun got a finger mark, and we've got a cod, a couple of red fins. Anyway, they said low tide was at 10:30. And I was thinking, oh yeah, we should be able to get out of here 3 hours after like low, because they have 2 tides here. It's now 1:30, and holy man, she's low still. So looking over that way, it's landlocked. So we've just pulled up on the bank. It's only in about like that bit of lock in the bank there. It's about 700, and then we've got to get out this way over here. Those people are just having a bit of a picnic and shit on the beach or on the sandbar. But yeah, I don't know, looks like it's coming in now. Got a little stick over there, but it's not getting close quick. Thought it would come in real quick. Anyway, Shaun's used all his liveys, so he's looking for some more over there. So I just have to wait it out, I suppose. Alright. Anyway, it's hot. Right, so this is crazy. So tides literally just turned and started to come in, and it is freaking pumping. Crazy. Oh well, I'm pretty excited today. It's my birthday next week, and Shaun goes, "What do you want, babe?" I was like, well, I want an active target fish finder. So off we went to In-N-Out Ball Marine, and we got one. Whew. Just waiting on the pole to come. Our But Shaun today is going to put the bloody Lawrence thing, or the sounder thing, in the tinny. Look at that, a 12-inch screen. Oh my god, that's going to be so, on a 10-inch screen. It's going to be so damn good. I'm pretty pumped. Tell you what, I reckon this is the best decked out tinny in Australia now. Got Minn Kota.
Where do you want to mount it? I can just mount it there. And just be sitting there.
Yep.
And the screen will be there.
Yep. That looks like a good spot.
Bloody excellent spot.
So he's spewing because he's got the little sounder. And yeah. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, here it is. Oh my god, look at that. So flipping good.
I don't know if it's going to go any good here. Sort of need it so it's a bit more stable.
So we're out here today. These bloody tides, I tell ya. Can't get in the creek we want to go to. And check out this freaking storm that's coming. Oh my god. Shaun's just informed me we'll probably get struck by lightning. I was more worried about the boat filling up with water.
Right.
Because we don't have a bilge pump. But holy moly, hope that goes around us. Anyway, got my new sounder happening there, which I can't get to work. The joys. Shawnee's on. Nice little barra.
Bloody tide's ripping that hard. That little one. Straight on the pop too.
He hasn't got a tag. Ooh, imagine. He's such a nice little fish.
Yes. Darwin barra. These gills.
How's that? The tide literally just changed. Little one, but literally like the
Stuck up here.
tide literally changed and boom, fish on. Has he got a tag? He engulfed it anyway.
My little barra.
Oh, it's a cracking morning down here at Lee Point this morning. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. Another glass out. Oh, it's pretty quiet down here today. Normally it's like every man and his dog, because it's not really far from Darwin. Yeah, it's a pretty wild creek. When the tide goes out, you can't get in. I think you can only get in at about 2 metres or something. So, oh, it's shining on.
Barra.
Is it?
Yep.
Told you.
Got fish on.
Net ready. Oh, nice one. Babe. Shakalaka.
Good work, honey.
No, good work on you. He's a nice fish too. Alright.
Catch up.
Are you sure he's got no tag?
Positive.
Alright. Put him back. Bloody hell, Shawnee's on again.
Probably the lazy. Here we go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he is a beauty. Whew.
Good work.
Right, so why we keep saying about the tags is because up here in the Northern Territory they have $1 million fish, and they tag all these fish, and I think it runs from, I don't know, I think it's October till the end of March, so we've got 1 day left tomorrow, and yeah, that's why we're keep saying about the tags. Oh, 65, he's a nice one.
Ready.
Might keep him. He probably won't swim away that good either because the hook was so far down, and yeah, just a bit had it. Shaun's nice little catch today. Might have fish and chips.
Yeah, it's good little size.
Very skilled there, babe.
A little bit though. Crab pots.
Alrighty, so we're going to do fish and chips tonight with the barramundi we caught. So I'll just use this Mary Max instant batter. It's pretty good actually. You just add water to it. So that's all I've got. I always put a bit of turmeric in and add a bit of salt, and then we're just going to batter it. I'll crumb the crumb the fish first, and then chuck the batter on and chuck her in the oil. Be good. So I've just put my water in and made the batter, and I usually just do it about this thickness, as long as it coats the back of the spoon. I reckon that's going to be pretty good. So I've just cut the fish into smallish pieces because then it's going to cook a lot quicker. I'm just going to get the flour. I'm just going to chuck it in this way. I'm trying to save on doing dishes. Chuck it in that way, put the lid on, we'll give it a good shake. Shaun's doing the dishes tonight, because when you make fish and chips, it makes a mess. So there you go, it's nice and coated. And I'm going to take all of this outside. Got my little induction cooker happening out there, and the air fryer to make some chips. And happy days. Oh, we're here at Lee Point. It's a pretty cool caravan park. We're parked up here. There's only a few vans here at the moment. Anyway, they've got these really cool little huts that you can back up to. Hi, Shaun. And they've got undercover washing lines, which is really handy in the wet season. Anyway, we've taken advantage of the hut this week, and it's got power points, little sink. So I've got some olive oil on. Usually use vegetable oil, but didn't have any, so olive oil it is. Got my air fryer going there for my chips, heating up the oil. Got everything ready to roll here. Got my fish there, coated. Turn the light on. Got a bit of light happening. Yep, so anyway, so got my fish coated there, my batter, chips ready to go on, and I use 2 forks when I crumb it so that I don't get it all over my fingers. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to see how the oil's going. Just chuck a bit in. I reckon that's hot enough. Yep. Get my crumb fish. It's all about not making a mess. Actually, doesn't matter that we're making a bit of a mess because we're outside in a camp kitchen. So. Anyway, it's going nice and golden there. What do you reckon, babe?
Fresh barra. Can't beat it.
So we've got dinner fit for a king. We've got one side of our 65 centimetre barra, all that there. Chips, yummy mango salsa with balsamic vinegar and olive oil. I'll tell you what, look at this fish. Yum-o. What do you reckon, babe? He's happy. What a cracking morning out here this morning. Got about 2 hours to high tide. Alright, Shaunie's on. He's livey again. Alright, Shaun's on again.
Coming up. Coming up.
Oh, it's a whipper too.
No, it's a little one, babe.
Is it?
And you just got him.
Whew. Nice work, babe.
Yeah, it's silver these things are.
Yeah, the beautiful colour. Healthy looking fish, that's for sure.
And you just had him.
Is that our last livey?
We've still got 2 more.
It's a bit hard to get the liveys this morning. Anyway, we've still got a fish hooked up over there in the bloody bushes. Okay, lives another day.
And a kiss.
He's got no. Has he got a tag?
No.
No. Okay. See you later, mate.